Hi guys, it's Patra here. 2 days from now, I'm gonna be in Jamaica, baby. This is what my suitcase looks like at the moment. Guys, don't worry about my ashy fit. One thing I prepared for guys is my hair, the front and the back. By the way guys, I did this myself. I did this hair myself. I've never struggled with doing a certain style, but this extension was a struggle, guys. Honestly, I would never ever use this extension again. Let's start with what is on top of the suitcase. Change. First of all, I'm going to say that I use Korean skincare. So what I did, I bought a new set of products. So I swapped my heavy moisturizer to much lighter moisturizer, and I got it from Style Venom. So I got a lighter moisturizer, a gel moisturizer, since it's going to be sunny and it's more calming and soothing. I bought sunscreens. Obviously I got like a normal cream sunscreen and a stick sunscreen and another stick sunscreen. This is more heavy. This one, Abib, is more heavy than this one from Innisfree. I think I'm going to use this. I think I'm going to use this on my body. I also have a serum from Cosrx somewhere. I just can't find it yet. And obviously, I've got some sheet mask. Next is, you know what it is? Bikini, guys. Bikini. But this is what my clothes look like. I bought a vacuum bag, you know, for more space. This bag like sucks out the air and it makes it really flat. I've got 3 of this. Oh, this is the second one. This is the second one. I can't show you guys, I'm sorry. I'll have a video of all the clothes I've worn in Jamaica. Yes. Here is some of the shoes I'm taking with me. Some platforms. Bought this 2 years ago. DKNY. I've only worn it once, guys. Once. And these beautiful slippers. Nice. I bought some slippers as well, you know, just to walk around comfy. I got this from AliExpress. This is super comfy and it's really cute. I got the sandals from Marks and Spencer's. Toiletries, perfume, shower gel. Oh yeah guys, that is the serum I was talking about, guys. And my glasses is in here. This is one of the glasses my sister gave me. Bags. My belt is in here. Bag again. More bag. I know it's going to be really hot, but I feel like I just need socks to go to bed with. I feel like I'm good to go with my clothes and shoes and all the things I need. All I just need to do is to do my nails. It's very crusty, as you can see. I'm changing my money into dollars. Then obviously when I get to Jamaica, I will change it into Jamaican dollars because that's what they use. That's the currency they use. Guys, I forgot to mention that I also bought travel sickness tablets. If you like me, that I also have motion sickness, which is a struggle. Oh. Yeah, getting it is a good idea because from UK to Jamaica, it's 13 hours. I don't know how I'm gonna survive. And wax, guys, wax. I'm definitely going to wax. As you can see, I bought this from Amazon. There you go. It's Parisian. I think that's how you pronounce it. Okay, so I'm gonna wax now. This is what the wax looks like. This is the old one. This is the old one, so I still have some left. You need some wax strips, some spatulas, and powder. You know, to make sure your skin is really dry. You don't want your skin to be moist while you're waxing. Before you wax, make sure your skin is clean and make sure you exfoliate your skin. But the thing is, like guys, this is why I use African sponge for shower. I don't need to exfoliate my skin because this does the work. Now I'm gonna warm this sugar wax for 10 to 15 minutes, I think. It's up to you to choose what consistency you want. By the way, I changed my top because I'm not about to check depths in my top. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's not that painful. I was just being dramatic. There you go. I'm gonna use the same strip because that is quite clean. This is my armpit. This is what my armpit looks like. Let me come closer. Jamaica. Show my room. Sorry.
No, I feel like the gay best friend will not do it.
Hello, what is up, guys? So we're going. I don't know why I've been putting on this accent, but we're going to Jamaica, Montego Bay to be yeah, we're gonna have the time of our lives.
Should have been nose. Should have been nose.
My what?
Your
my
nails.
Oh, here are my nails.
My nails is really cute.
We're gonna be on the flight for like 13 hours.
Yeah, 13 hours, guys. 13 hours.
Is this the longest you've done?
Yes, the longest. And everything is good. We've gone through security. All good. See you on the other side.
Gonna be like, guys, we've been waiting here for so long.
They open the doors so the temperature drops slightly.
I'm not gonna go anywhere.
It helps explain safety and procedures, which is particularly...
All good? Yeah.
It's a nice hill.
It was snowing last week. Oh, not really. You don't like anything.
Guys, we are royalty.